In less than 30 seconds, you can write a client-grabbing ad for your SMMA using ChatGPT and Pixar storytelling. Here's how. Copy and paste this exact prompt into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and you'll get an ad that doesn't sound like every other boring agency pitch. It sounds like a story people actually want to read. Here's why this prompt works so well. It positions your agency as the guide, not the hero. That builds trust fast. Pixar-style storytelling forces structure. Something wants something, struggles, and then transforms. That emotional arc pulls people in. Keeping it under 150 words keeps the scroll going instead of stopping. And by using small business owners as the main character, the ad speaks directly to your ideal client. It's empathy-led copywriting for your digital marketing funnel. Simple, strategic, high converting. You can upgrade this prompt instantly by tailoring it to your exact offer. Swap small business owner for your niche. Real estate agents, gym owners, dentists, course creators, whoever you serve. For example, want even better results? Plug in your actual client success story or your founder's backstory. That's how you build connection and convert attention into action. So, what does a finished ad look like? Here it is. If this video helped, check out the next one here for more high-converting ChatGPT prompts made for agency owners, digital marketers, and content creators. You don't need to be a pro copywriter to sound like one.